Hello everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And so I have another mini American Girl doll to open up for you today. If you've been watching my channel, you know I've already mentioned that they had a sale on their mini dolls. And if you're trying to find these on their website, the easiest way to do it is go to the search bar and type in M-I-N-I, mini. And this little doll is Kaya. She's a little Native American doll. She is, oh my gosh, her outfit is amazing. I'm very curious to see how this compares to the one that she's wearing in, 18-inch size, but it looks so detailed. I am, oh wow, super amazed. Look at this. Now this feels like ultra suede, which is good. I don't think it's real suede. I think it's ultra suede, which I would prefer. She's got beautiful braids. Oh my gosh. A really sweet face. Look at that, with just a slightest bit of blushing. Brown eyes. Now, these dolls do not have the sleepy eyes. They have painted faces and hard bodies. I think some of the older minis have soft bodies, like the 18-inch dolls do. And, of course, she has, the regular articulation. Her head goes back and forth. Her arms can go up and down. And so can her legs. But look at this. Wow. Such detail. So there's like a belt here. And beading here. I mean, wow. Such a pretty doll. So tiny. All right, and she has a book. Let's get it out here. Oh, this is, no, it's soft. I thought it was hard copy there for a minute. Kaya, The Journey Begins, 1764. So they all come with these little miniature books. I know some of them are packaged, not right now on the website, but I've seen some of these dolls where the mini dolls come and then they have a series, like 3 books that they come with too. I've seen that on eBay, so I'm assuming that at some point, obviously, they had them like that. But she's got this little book with her, which is too tiny for me to read. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Wow. This makes me very curious about the 18-inch one. Her hair is dark, but it's got shades of different browns and blacks in it. So it's, I don't know if that's coming off on the camera, if you can see that or not. But it's not just one color. And it's very soft. Of course, they always do a great job with the hair. I mean, that's one thing that I think American Girl dolls are known for, is the quality of their hair. She's got these little moccasins. I do not plan to change out my mini dolls. They're going to stay in their outfits. And, I mean, I say that now, but I don't plan on sewing for them. They're going to be just kind of cute display dolls. I have a shelf, a sort of shorter shelf in my curio, and I thought they would look really cute since I already had Caroline. So yeah, these little mini dolls, I don't plan to do stuff with other than have them as display dolls. They do stand up really well. If you set them right, they stand up unassisted. And so she, along with Addie and Caroline, are going to be hanging out in my curio together. And I'm just going to keep an eye out. When there's a sale, I might pick another one up. Or if I see one for a good price on eBay or something. I don't mind buying secondhand, but I'm kind of picky, and sometimes I see stuff on eBay that the dolls are, how do I say it, beat to hell. And then they have this crazy price tag, and then they have shipping that's like $20 or something. So sometimes I think it's, for me, I feel more comfortable buying new and just waiting out for a sale. So that's my personal preference. But anyway, let me know what you think of Kaya. Do you guys have any of these dolls that I've been showing, 18-inch or the mini size? Let me know in the comments down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.